cooling it down with snow. Anthony had the good idea to let some air out. Dang, maybe we let the air down and we let the hair down too. That might give us some good luck.
Oh yeah, that's way softer.
That's way softer. I think if I push from here, it's going right up. This is only dramatic as the ice. Otherwise, this would be no problem.
Seriously.
This is drama. Piggy probably would have went right up it.
Oh, definitely. No way. Go, go! Oh, that was way better than I thought it was gonna be. No way. You went right in the middle.
Dang it! I stalled it like a noob. We need a stellar performance to get to the top, don't we?
We do. Record breaking.
We're not giving up, but we did the best we could do with this street tire. Anthony, how long do you think we've been on this 100 yards of trail?
At least an hour and a half.
It's now dark, and we've got a sweet knobby tire at the garage waiting to be thrown on. So let's take this back, throw a knobby on it, and then hammer these trails, see what this bike can actually do. So this is our current slick. This is the new tire that's gonna go on. But before we put this tire on, I bought the cheapest exhaust I could find, straight from Temu. And we're gonna take off this giant monstrosity. Supposedly, this is very heavy, and this is supposed to be pretty light. I mean, there's some really questionable welds on this. Unfortunately, these instructions are not in English. I normally don't read instructions anyways. This thing is huge. We should probably start it just once with open headers. I won't let it run long because it's very late at night. That was so loud. All right, let's see if this thing's too loud. I think I'm gonna have to wear earplugs when I ride this.
That sounds good.
That's crazy. Have you ever heard a bike that loud?
Not like this.
I probably should tune it eventually.
Yeah.
For the snow bike.
Probably.
CMX is definitely gonna go on this.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna be psychotic. All right, let's get this tire on and then go rip it. Probably should not have bought the cheap Amazon socket. What is the torque spec on this? That's pretty much the easiest tire I've ever had to take off. Oh man, this thing is gonna be hard to get to seal. Look at the gap. This thing's sweet. Now I need to sipe the tire. Probably the biggest thing I learned on the Busa, if you sipe these tires with these high horsepower bikes, it helps them get way more traction when it's slippery out. You just cut each knob, I'll show you. The bike is ready to go. This tire, I am stoked on it. I'm really excited to see how this does with the knobby. Oh man, this is exciting.
Oh, it's so much better.
Made it back to Trail 3. Let's see how this thing's gonna do. It's so good. The bike is working so much better. The exhaust, I think it's messing with the engine a little bit because I don't know, the throttle feels a little bit funky. It revs out a little strange in the low RPMs. Once the RPM gets above like 3,000, it's all good. But like right off idle, it's a little, there's something going on there. So maybe the engine isn't happy with the new exhaust. Neither are my ears. I've got these earplugs in and it's still loud. This thing is obnoxious. It's so loud. It sounds good, but whoa, it's loud. We just made it to the snow. This is where we're gonna see if we can actually keep going.
Dang.
Try that one more time.
Oh, dang. That sucks.
So close.
There we go. There we go.
Made it further than yesterday, but this is not the hardest part of this trail. It gets very steep before it connects to the next road. So I gotta ride way faster. I'm riding too timid. I'm just kind of a little scared of this thing. I need to go faster. Come on.
Heck yeah.
Let's get it to the top. Made it to the top. A world of difference this tire made. This Ducati is like the Busa times 10. It's got more power and it's 150 pounds lighter-ish. I'm pretty excited to see what we can do with this. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, all that stuff. We'll see you in the next video.